What's up, Toopsters? In 2 bets. 2021 action. Y'all know I had to come see Long Neck and Tall Head today. Boy, we just put some new 24s on this thing. Y'all know that them Folgers. And I don't like that mile-high gap in between there. Well, I said I got to close that shit off. I can't ride like that. Tall Head told me, hit up H&R. Get you some Lawrence Springs. Got the Lawrence Springs. Finna drop it down. About 2 inches. All the way wound this sucker. No, I can't take that. Go ahead and paint them calibers while I'm down there. Did the ECL, concave ECL. I done told y'all, rim lady get y'all right. Y'all sleeping. On that taking something off up here.
Everything.
It took my damn whole car apart. Damn.
That's what it takes.
What you getting to? What you trying to get to? Oh, them boats there?
Yeah, shock tower mounts.
Oh, okay. So you trying to take the shock towers out. So you gotta take the whole shock out? Strut?
Yeah. I'll take it out, put it on the spring compressor, pop the old ones off, pop the new ones on, throw them back up in there.
Long neck say light work.
Done it a time or 2 before.
Oh, easy peasy. So I'm guessing he gotta get these 3, 4, 5 boats out up here.
1, 2, 3.
3 boats. They drop out at the bottom. Yeah, I definitely had to shoot some red on them calibers. We're gonna get this thing lowered, man. I think I'm gonna black that roof. Black that roof out. Definitely these. Tall Head. He making something over there. He making something to adjust that thing in the back. H&R didn't send us. I'm very disappointed in dealing with this company for the first time that I was referred to. And didn't receive all my shit. So Knucklehead 1 and Knucklehead 2 put their brains together. Coming up with something. He making something. I don't know. But we'll see how this thing sits in a minute. I bought this sucker a couple months ago. Keys at? Y'all see, all black. Y'all know I got to put some red in here. Y'all know I got to put some red in here. That ain't gonna work. I'm gonna let them squeeze that together. I'll be back in a minute, man. Alright, y'all see it. Y'all see it. We brought that thing 2 inches. We brought it down 2 inches. I like that. I think we dropped the back end 2.5. I think I'm gonna have to bring that sucker up about another little 1/2 inch. Good thing we got them adjusters. Y'all say hello to Jack Skeleton. I'm gonna do a few little things to it, black it out. Boy, Wizarm just came and clinked me up. So we got it sitting right now, man. We got some of that gap going. That's all I needed. So I'm gonna see if we can get that back up just a tad. It's a little bouncy in the back. I don't like that. So I'm gonna get tall head, bring it up just a tad for me, and rock it from there. That's that on that, man. Jack Skeleton, 8'6". I'll be back in a minute. Whip of the week.